In the vast silence of space, a revolution is taking flight. Imagine rockets not forged in massive factories, but crafted layer by layer through 3D printing. Companies like Relativity Space and Rocket Lab are redefining rocket science. Traditional rockets? They're a maze of parts, hundreds of thousands to be exact. But with 3D printing, we're talking about seamless structures that are stronger, lighter, and produced in a fraction of the time. Some rockets are now 85% 3D printed, and entire launch vehicles can be ready in under 60 days. This isn't just innovation, it's the dawn of a new era in space exploration. Welcome to the new space race. Space exploration is transforming rapidly, and the benefits are astounding. Lower costs to orbit mean more launches, opening the door for small companies and universities to join the race. Imagine testing new engine designs in days instead of months, thanks to rapid innovation and 3D printing. Future missions to the Moon or Mars could carry 3D printers, allowing astronauts to manufacture spare parts on demand. This shift in mindset is revolutionizing engineering. Complex shapes and intricate systems that were once impossible are now within reach. Companies like Relativity Space and Rocket Lab are leading the charge, creating fully reusable rockets and nearly all 3D printed engines. NASA is even testing deep space components made through additive manufacturing. The future of space is here, and it's more accessible than ever. In November 2024, Leap 71 and E+3D made history by unveiling the world's largest single-piece 3D printed rocket thruster, towering over 1.3 meters and generating an impressive 200 knots of thrust. This marvel integrates all components into one seamless part, eliminating assembly hassles. Meanwhile, ISRO's groundbreaking 3D printed PS4 engine slashed production time by 60% and reduced material use by 97%. NASA isn't far behind, with its RAMPD project winning Invention of the Year for a one-piece thrust chamber that cuts mass by over 40%. And in September, NASA tested a 3D printed rotating detonation rocket engine, achieving a remarkable 251-second burn. The future of space propulsion is here, and it's being shaped by 3D printing.